Hi, this is Sherry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a small book with 4 pages, and it's not going to require any glue, any tape, or any staples. All you're going to need is a piece of paper and some scissors. So the first thing you want to do is take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half and be sure and crease it nice and sharp. Then fold your paper in half again and another nice sharp crease. And fold your paper in half one last time. And one more nice sharp crease. Now you're going to unfold your paper twice. 1, 2. And you can see right here is where the crease is. You're going to cut with your scissors on this crease from the edge to the middle. Now unfold your paper all the way. Now you have a piece of paper with a hole in the middle. So fold the paper towards you and you can see now you have a diamond-shaped opening. So just push that together. You may want to crease the edges one more time and fold it in half. And now you have a little book. And these little books are great for writing stories or for putting your sticker collection in or just anything you can imagine. And then when you're finished filling it up, you can make another one. And you don't have to use this size of paper for your book. You can use any size paper. You can use a smaller size that's square. You can use a larger size. And then you'll get just different sizes of books to use.